Okay, where we left off was making a selection, and the last one was the object selection tool. And then I lost my generative fill. Like, where the heck did it go? Like, it just disappeared, right? And I was like, where did it go? So I selected her, and automatically it'll come up. And then if I type in, oops, there it goes again. What do you want to generate? So if I type in color, t-shirt, green, or let's say pink, then I say generate. Because it's going to be generating, and then it says, and it happens to me all the time using this feature, it says, this feature is unavailable. I'm like, man, disappointed, right? But what it did do is selected her really nice selection. So instead of worrying about the t-shirt this time, we're going to select and change the background from pink to another color. Now, if I go like we did before, you're thinking, oh, I know what to do. I'm going to go ahead and select a color. Let's say this time we're going to choose red or pink, another shade of pink, and then go adjustment and then solid color. She turns solid dark pink. That's not what we want. So I press cancel. What you have to do is go select inverse. Then go back to your adjustment layer, go to solid color, and now press OK. Now the background is dark pink and she's selected. We have some issues to be aware of. This little tiny spot right there and a little spot between her hands, but that is a minor thing. But yeah, so to recap, we reviewed, let's see, object selection, quick selection, and magic wand tool. Those are the tools that we selected. We also use for a selection is the magic lasso to add and to take away from our selection.